Today, I'm going to build the best home security system circuit using laser light and some simple electronic components. A security system like this is not only fun to build, but it also gives you practical knowledge about electronics and safety. The first component I'll use is a BC547 transistor. This small but powerful transistor is the heart of many circuits. First, I will carefully bend its emitter and collector pins to make proper connections. Then apply some solder to strengthen them and ensure good conductivity. Without a strong solder joint, the entire door security system could fail, so this step is very important. Next, I'll take a 10 kilo-ohm resistor and solder it between the collector and base pins of the transistor. This resistor is essential for controlling the base current. By limiting current flow, it helps keep our circuit stable and prevents damage to the transistor. In a laser security system, such resistors play a crucial role in ensuring smooth operation. Now I will use a red LED. I'll bend its pins properly and solder the positive pin of the LED to the emitter pin of the transistor. The LED acts as a clear visual indicator in our home security system, letting us know when the circuit is triggered. Without a visual signal, we might only hear the buzzer, but the LED provides a strong light warning for extra safety. Next comes the LDR, or light-dependent resistor. I'll solder one pin of the LDR to the base pin of the transistor. The LDR is the eye of our project. It detects light changes, in this case the laser beam, and controls the transistor accordingly. Without this, our door security would not be able to detect intruders. After that, I'll solder a 680 ohm resistor between the negative pin of the LED and the free pin of the LDR. This resistor balances the current flow through the LED, preventing it from burning out. In laser security, using the correct resistor values is critical for the reliability of the entire project. Now I'll remove all extra pin lengths to make the circuit neat and professional. A clean build ensures there are no short circuits or unwanted connections that could disturb our home security project. Next, I will connect a buzzer. I'll solder the positive pin of the buzzer to the emitter pin of the transistor and the negative pin of the buzzer to one free pin of the LDR. The buzzer is an audio alarm system. It screams loudly when the circuit is triggered. This way, our home security doesn't just rely on light, but also sound, making it much more effective. Now it's time to power the circuit. I'll solder the negative wire of a 12-volt battery to one pin of the resistor and the positive wire of the battery to the collector pin of the transistor. To improve accuracy, I'll create a small pipe using hard paper and wrap tape around it. Then I'll place the LDR inside this pipe. This design shields the LDR from unwanted light interference and ensures it only responds to the laser beam. Such tricks make a laser security system much more reliable in real-world conditions. Now, I'll take a laser light pointer. To keep it switched on, I'll wrap tape around its push button. Then, I'll carefully aim the laser beam directly into the LDR inside the pipe. When properly aligned, the laser keeps the LDR illuminated and the alarm systems remain off. Finally, I'll connect the 12-volt battery and turn on the circuit. At first, nothing happens. The LED is off and the buzzer is silent. But here comes the suspense. When any obstacle passes between the laser light and the LDR, the circuit instantly activates. The LED flashes brightly and the buzzer starts sounding loudly. Our home security system is now fully operational, just like professional home alarm systems. This is how it works. As long as the LDR receives laser light, the transistor stays in a non-conductive state. But when something blocks the beam, the LDR's resistance rises sharply, turning the transistor on, lighting the LED, and activating the buzzer. In short, we've built a simple yet powerful best security system using basic electronics. Where can we use it? This project can be used as a home security device to guard rooms, as a door security system to detect intruders, or even as a backyard laser security setup for extra safety. It's also a fantastic educational tool to understand electronics and how real alarm systems work. So if you want to secure your home and learn electronics at the same time, this DIY best home security system is the perfect project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this build, because in the world of home security, knowledge is your best security system.